Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Okay guys, now let's take a look at the brief look at the gold market, because on the gold is really not drastic action has happened since yesterday. So in fact gold shows logical and absolutely normal behavior from the technical point of view, because yesterday when we have taken a look at the daily chart, we said yes, market has reached the overbought, and this retracement looks absolutely reasonable, normal, and we could say even more that this retracement mostly has to happen when the market hits the overbought condition. Upside action still looks nice. In general, guys, the major worrying of the investors right now is that this recent rally in the gold market has no support from the real purchase, because on the recent data yesterday, the storages of the SPD fund has dropped again, approximately 0.5%, and it has reached the minimum level from since 2008. So something around 704 tons of gold is really low value, and that just indicates that it's really anemic interest from on the investors to the gold, and that's a major worrying factor right now. But still, from the technical point of view, situation on the gold looks bullish until market holds with this possible reverse hand shoulders pattern. And the validation point stands right here, so 1170 area. So if market will return right back down, drop this level down and just break this and move below it, in this case we could say yes, this bullish setup has failed, and we could say that the next destination probably will be 1130, and in general we will turn to the searching for the chances of the taking short. But until this pattern valid, until market holds above this level, we just currently have no reasons to take any short position. Our major picture for today stands at 4-hour chart. Here you could see this market has started retracement. Action is not very fast, and that is good from the bullish perspective. And recall what we have said. It would be perfect if market will finish this retracement in this area, because that will let gold to keep a lot of moments. First of all, it will keep its habit to retest broken top. So that was some sort of the consolidation that gold has broken to the upside. Now it has returned it back down and retesting it. That's absolutely very typical for the gold market. Is some of the habit of the gold market to retest broken tops and bottoms. Second moment is that this is also the neckline of this possible double bottom on the 4-hour time frame chart. And if market will hold here, it will simultaneously keep valid this pattern, because retesting of the neckline is normal, but breakout through it and moving to the downside will be not very good for this pattern. And from the bullish perspective, it would be better if this pattern will survive. And for that purpose, we need that the retracement stops somewhere in this area. And finally, that is 3-8 support, 12-1, from this low to this top, 3-8 supports, 5th support, and if market will hold above it, that will be just good sign. But whatever retracement will happen, whether market will hold here or will drop lower, our invalidation point still the same, stands around 1170. Because guys, as we said yesterday, even if we assume that market will break through this area and will continue move lower, yes, it will erase the double bottom, but guys, we also could get this butterfly from this. This could be left wing of the butterfly, right? If market will show the deeper retracement, that could become the right wing of the butterfly, and upside potential hand shoulders pattern still be valid, because the butterfly pattern will be based also on the hand shoulders on the daily, and it will be valid till the market stands above 1170 again. So that is all roads lead us to the same conclusion, that 1170 is the major crucial point, is an invalidation point for the bullish setup on the daily. As soon as market will break it down, bullish setup will be erased, and we should be ready for taking the short position, and we will switch to bearish view on the market. Until this level is valid, chances on upside continuation, chances on the bullish development will exist and will hold. That's why, yes, it's interesting whether it will hold here, but this is not the crucial moment. Even deeper retracement will not cancel the possible bullish development here. That's our conclusion on our view on the gold market. Let's see what will happen on the tomorrow non-farm payrolls release, how it will impact on the gold. But right now we could say that gold is most interesting among many markets, and it shows clear patterns. It gives significant volatility for trading. So currently we just need to understand what to expect. And first we will watching for this area, because despite what we will trade, double bottom or butterfly, our task is the same, trying to take the position as closer to the invalidation point to minimize risk as possible. So as we have completed this trade up on this portion rinse of these previous lows, okay, this has happened. We have taken the profit. We have completed this trade. Now we wait for the retracement, how deep it will be. Currently, it seems that market now has reached this area, but on the hourly chart, it hasn't shown any patterns in this area. So if we will get some reversal pattern here on the hourly chart, maybe we will trying to take position here, because chances exist that market could turn up even from this area. So that's just the common work, the usual job that we making day by day. So just let's continue to keep an eye on the gold market, because it right now is really interesting.